Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this device. So if you have access to your physical keyboard, or if you have an external keyboard connected to your device, you can use a combination of Windows Ctrl-O buttons. So Windows plus Ctrl plus O will enable an on-screen keyboard on your screen, which you can resize and reshape using by dragging the sides and edges of this window. You can use it just like a regular keyboard. It also has a numpad to it, which you can also use. And if you want to enable it from settings, then go to Start menu, open Settings, then find Accessibility Settings, and here go to Keyboard section, open it. Now scroll down and switch the toggle on next to On-Screen Keyboard option, and this way you will enable the very same on-screen keyboard. Now if this option doesn't sound very convenient for you, you can also enable on-screen keyboard right from the desktop without going to settings and using your keyboard. To do that, go to personalization, then go to taskbar, and in the taskbar section you can find touch keyboard and change the when no keyboard attached setting here to always, and this way you will make the touch keyboard appear on the taskbar right here. Click on it and you will enable an on-screen keyboard that you can use just like a regular one. Now you can see that there is no numpad to it, but still it's pretty convenient to use in my opinion. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.